Friends, I am Vikash Kumar. In today's video, we will discuss OFC, Optical Fiber Cable Nervous System of ATMS. Definition: OFC is the backbone data communication network of ATMS. It connects all cameras, gantries, VMS, and the command center. Purpose: to ensure real-time data transmission and live feeds from all ATMS devices installed on the highway. 2016 Circular. OFC feeds provided real-time video to the command center. Physical servers were used to manage the feeds. External internet connectivity requirement, minimum 8 megabits per second. 2023 Circular. For OFC backbone, minimum trench depth of 1.65 meters and width less than 0.3 meters is mandatory. Backbone 24-core fiber and 8 or 12 cores for peripheral equipment. Rule: no trench should be left open overnight. Future ready with 5G and cloud provisions. External internet connectivity upgraded to a 100 megabits per second dedicated line. Key point: OFC is called the nervous system of ATMS. Without OFC, all subsystems TMCS, VIDES, VMS, command center cannot function properly. Note: one-line summary. OFC is the backbone that connects all highway-installed cameras and systems to the command center. In 2016, it provided basic connectivity, but in 2023, it has been upgraded with a 24-core backbone, 5G, and cloud readiness, and a 100 megabits per second internet connection. It is the nervous system of ATMS. If you found this video informative, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Toll Tech Academy for more such information.